i2C i6S Programmer Battery Efficiency Cycle Board Tutorial. This is the front and back of the battery efficiency cycle board. During running, discharge will cause the resistor halt. Do not touch the resistor to avoid burns. Install the board to i6S Programmer and connect the power supply. Support QC PD 5伏2A3 a charger. Connect the battery, which has been replaced the battery cord to the board to read information. Click i6S to set the battery efficiency. The left information is the battery initial data, right is the current data. After changed the battery cell, take 3 到5 days run the battery health to 95% or higher. The battery efficiency cycle board can work stand-alone. Without i6S, it will automatically switch the current battery power and efficiency on the digital tube display. Install the board to i6S Programmer. It will continue to work. Connect the power supply to the bottom of the i6S Programmer to support the i6S working 3 到5 day. Without power supply, i6S cannot working for 3 到5 days, the long time.